Electrum Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The Electrum Wallet app has been around since 2011, making it one of the oldest and most trusted Bitcoin wallets in the world. But is it still worth using in today's world of sleek, modern crypto apps? Let's look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Electrum's biggest strength is security and transparency. It's open source, meaning anyone can inspect the code, no hidden surprises. It also supports cold storage and hardware wallet integration, giving users advanced control over how their Bitcoin is protected. Another major advantage is speed and reliability. Unlike many newer wallets, Electrum connects directly to decentralized servers, making transactions fast and resilient, even under heavy network traffic. And because it focuses solely on Bitcoin, it's highly optimized for that one task: sending, receiving, and storing this. Electrum also gives users full control over their private keys and seed phrases. This makes it a true non-custodial wallet. You own your funds, and no third party can block or freeze them. For experienced Bitcoin users, this is a huge plus. But let's talk about the cons. First, Electrum isn't beginner-friendly. Its interface feels technical and outdated compared to modern apps like Trust Wallet or Coinbase. If you're new to crypto, setting it up can feel intimidating. Another limitation is Bitcoin-only support. You can't store Ethereum, NFTs, or any altcoins here. It's strictly for purpose. Lastly, because it's so flexible, it's also easier to make mistakes. Sending to the wrong address format or mismanaging fees can cause issues if you're not careful. In conclusion, Electrum is perfect for Bitcoin purists who value security and control above everything else. The surprising truth? It's not flashy, and it doesn't need to be. If you want a rock-solid wallet for long-term Bitcoin storage, Electrum is still one of the best, but it demands responsibility and a bit of tech confidence.